Making a short video to demonstrate this antique solid 18 karat gold pocket watch with an absolutely stunning multicolored gold dial that's engraved. It has the guilloche tooling, the radial sunburst around the hour and minute. Hands, wonderful, wonderful condition. The case is also in wonderful condition without any major dings or dents. Here's the inside of the watch. What's neat about it is the engravings are also are enameled, and so they would have put and fired white enamel inside of all of the writing, so it really pops out. It's nice and clear. Everything closes nice and tight. You can see it sits flush, as it should. To open the case back, I'm just going to use my fingernail here. Should be able to pop that out. Bear with me. It's nice and tight as it should be. Get a different fingernail. There we go. And to close it again, simply snap it shut. Glass crystal. I just fully serviced this pocket watch. It keeps very good time. Just overall a very nice example. I'm always drawn to the multicolored gold dial antique pocket watches because I just think they are very, very pretty. So in summary, an antique from the 1800s, solid 18 karat gold antique pocket watch that has been fully serviced with a gorgeous multicolored gold dial. It's a beautiful piece. Take care.